Hi, welcome back to DIY with Eti. This is me, Atisham. How are you guys doing today? Sorry for the late upload because I have been finding the materials which I cannot find anywhere near my area. I do not have a I do have a license, but I do not have a car, so I can't go far to get the materials I want. But luckily, the shop which I found near my area provided me with good ideas. So first let's talk about the materials which I actually wanted to use. Material number one which I wanted to use was for the legs and the border system, the support system, was a 2x1, a normal wood. Here, this is a scrap. This is a scrap piece of wood which I'm going to be doing something to it. I'm going to tell you this in a moment. And the second material which I wanted to do the actual shelving and the whole cabinet, the whole shoe rack with, was white oak. I wanted hardwood white oak. Turns out not many people buy hardwood in Pakistan, so it's very hard to get. So I was leaning towards laminated MDFs and stuff. I hate it. I do not like MDF at all. It gets everywhere, it gives a big mess. It's very hard to clean off. So what I did actually was go to this lamination shop. I was talking and discussing about what I want to do. So he told me one more. There's a different kind of lamination, which is actually wood paper. So what they do, they take MDFs or chipboards. I like chipboard more than MDF. So they take a whole board. It's one board is 4 feet by 8 feet. So that's around 1900 rupees. I think that's around $10 or something. I'll have a kind of calculation over here, right here. 1, 2, 3. So that much is the price. So 2x1, 2" by 1". Normal wood. I'm going to do a nice stain on it, charred stain. So first I'm going to char it, then I might use lacquer or shellac or something. Let's see. But first I'm going to char it. So this is a scrap wood. In this video we're going to practice doing it on this scrap. I have the actual wood. I have 20 feet of it. I'm going to cut that to size what we want, and we're going to do a main video on part 3. So let's get started with cutting the 2x1s to size and charring this. here we go. So we have done nice char on this right now. I haven't sanded it right now, so it's coming up on this. Let's sand and let's see how it looks like. I'm going to take 60 grit, no, 80 grit. I'll take 80 grit sandpaper. Okay, and just sand it with my hand. Right now I'm sanding it with my hand, but I have a circular sander. Well, basically I have a connector which attaches to my grinder, and then I can use it as a circular grinder. Really nice, but right now I'll do it with my hand. This is what I was looking for. Just a nice charred wood with this type of pattern. This wood pattern looks really good. So after sanding it off, it will not come off on your hand. So first I was thinking to do a lacquer. Here's one wood I have prepared way before, like a week ago, but I didn't like it because I used what is it? Cooking oil. Yes, I used cooking oil just for fun because it was right there when I was charring it by the stove. So I was like, let's use cooking oil, and not good. So right now I have mineral oil. So I'm going to do a mineral oil finish on this. Let's see how it looks. This is the lighter one. This I charred a bit extra. I'll see if I should do the darker char or the lighter char, because I'm feeling more towards this. Let's have a look. Yeah. So now this is a bit better. Looks nice. I like this look. I'll keep it lighter as this, not as this. It's too dark. Light is nice. I like it. I like it light. So this was the nice test. Let's see. Let me use .36 grit sandpaper on this. No, it's too dark. I'm not feeling it. It's too deep. I'll have to do this. So mission successful for this part. Now waiting on the wood to arrive by tomorrow, and we'll get started on the main thing on these woods. We'll get started on this on tomorrow. Oh yeah, one more thing. While I was charring, you might have seen, I might have showed you that there is sap stuck in the wood, right? So, like over here, there was sap. I totally forgot. Why isn't it focusing? Yeah, so there's sap here. So there's sap in this wood also. There's a way to remove it. We'll just take a screwdriver or a pin or some sort, maybe a nail. I will take a nail and try to get majority of the sap out. So like over here, let's try this one. Just scrape it off and then use a sander, clean it. This I'll keep this side up because this is the least with the sap. This one is pretty ugly, so this I'll keep it bottom. So that's what we're going to do. Remove the sap first, prepare the wood. Once the wood is prepared, char it and get on. That was the second episode. That's a wrap for today, and let's have a summary. We cut down the wood to size, we charred it, we saw how the char looks. Now I know how it should be done. Good idea of it. So tomorrow when the proper wood arrives, the plywood arrives, I'll start cutting it off, making a final video, and I'll upload that video by Friday. So 2 videos in this week because I missed my previous date, which should be Saturday night or Sunday night max. So hopefully this video gets done by Friday, and then we can start a new project on Saturday again. So see you next time. Please share, subscribe, press the bell icon if you liked it, like, if you disliked it, dislike it, and let me know how do you like it or don't like it in the comments down below. See you. Bye.